way from Vigo, Spain to Porto, Portugal, we decided to take a little detour and check out Playa de Rodas, which is considered to be one of the most beautiful beaches in the world. It did not disappoint. Playa de Rodas is a slightly curved beach about 700 meters long on the Spanish Cies Islands, which is now a national park. The British newspaper The Guardian chose it as the most beautiful beach in the world in 2007. We anchored about 50 meters from the shore and enjoyed the spectacular scenery. We didn't have time to get out and explore the island, but we captured some amazing drone footage that we are so proud to share with you. We hope you enjoy it.
In this pool inside my head, and when I turn around they spill one by one upon my bed, and then my room turns upside down. The thoughts are falling to the ceiling from the ground, and now the ceiling lamp's a boat, and I'm sailing in the sea of my ideas and my thoughts. I'm sailing all the way to Spain. Sailing all the way. If I could only fly, I would fly so high, I would kiss the sky. It'd be so, so right, so right, so right. If I could only fly, I would fly so high, I would kiss the sky. It'd be so, so right, so right, so right.
Please leave us a comment and let us know about the most beautiful beach you've ever seen.